Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this bottle of Biotin. These are 60 tablets, strawberry flavor, and fast dissolve. That's what the packaging looks like. Good vitamins. Take one of these daily. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. So when you get a new one, you got to open security safety seal up top, and then there's another protection seal here, which is great. And then you take out the take out this. I take this out, then this is what it looks like. Very small. I'll take one now. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.